Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language in Assetto Corsa Rally, both on Steam and inside the game. Let's get started. First, open Steam. Go to your library and find Assetto Corsa Rally. Right-click the game and select Properties. In the General tab, look for the Language section. Click the drop-down menu and select the language you want to use. Once you've selected your language, close the window. Now launch your game. Assetto Corsa Rally should open in the language you selected. Solution 2. Change the language in-game. If you want to change the language directly inside the game, go to Settings. Open Game Options. Under Text Language, choose the language for the menus and UI. Under Co-Driver, select the language you want your co-driver to speak. These options let you fully customize both the interface language and the co-driver voice for the best rally experience. And that's it! Now you know how to change the language for Assetto Corsa Rally both on Steam and in-game. Super easy and takes only a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.